once again to howtocookwithfood.com. Not going to keep you long. Had quite a few emails about this. Just preparing some tofu for frying. So first thing is we're going to use a hard or firm tofu, not a soft one. That's always better for frying. And then we're going to do a couple of versions. Like I said, nice and little small, and then some bigger ones there. It's super easy. Let's go and take a look. Okay, let's take a quick look at the packet that I'm using. So what we've got here is our tofu. It's in water there. And just note, firm. When frying, try and use a nice firm one. So it comes kind of like really soft, like kind of gooey to a medium, and then firm or even super firm. Firm's what you want when you're frying it, really. Okay, let's move on. So I've taken it out the packet, drained off the water. You can see it's a nice thick piece there. Now what we need to do, you can just fry that straight away. But what's a good thing to do is to get like a cotton cloth over it, and then like a weight or something like that. You can just put a bag of flour on it or a couple of books or something, and just leave it for like 10 minutes and try and draw out as much of the moisture as you can. So I've just wrapped it in a little cloth, bag of flour or a book or something. I'll be back in 10 minutes. Okay, so as you saw, we just got quite a bit more moisture out. It just kind of helps it on its way. So what we're going to do now is we can cut it into pieces. I'm going to do 2 lots, some big stuff and some small stuff, just to show you. And then we're just simply going to fry it off in some oil. Okay, so as you can see, half of it I've cut into small little pieces, and then the other half I've just cut into 3 nice kind of chunks. The kind of bigger ones, they're nice to kind of, once you fry them, put them on top of a salad or on top of like, you know, a soup or something like that. These are great in a curry or a stir fry sort of thing. So absolutely nothing to it really now. So I've got some oil in there. I'm using the sunflower oil. You could be using something else if you want. Let's do the big guys first. Simply we're going to drop them in. And we're going to gently fry them. Just want to get a little bit of colour on them. That kind of toughens them up as well. They're kind of, you know, they're easier to kind of cook with as well. So yeah, I don't know, 2 or 3 minutes on each side. Pretty much done. Okay, there you go. So look, they're just like that. Just put them on some kitchen towel to get any excess oil off. We can do the small bits now. Okay, and that's it. So you've got the large pieces there. Like I said, they're good for a salad. You know, just to chop on the top. I mean, they're good for salad as well. But like on top of a soup, even in a sandwich, they're fantastic. And then the small bits, kind of a bit better for kind of stir frying or, you know, sweet and sour or curry or something. Now, these are really hot, but if I just crack one open here, they're super, super soft in the middle. All you've done is just put a little bit of colour on the edge. It tastes delicious. That's it. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Tofu love.